Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. George Java, and today I was thinking what topic would interest you, especially at the beginning, and I would like to talk a little bit about bone. A lot of times people think about bone as a rigid structure that gives us rigidity, like a skeleton. It's like after people die, bones are the last to decay, they last very long. So usually people think of bones as like just a carcass, nothing more. While in actuality, bone is a living organ. It has many functions. So the functions of the bone are the following. Obviously, the rigidity to give us the shape. Protection, obviously, muscle movement. Bone is where muscles attach and allows us to move. But other than that, bone marrow is where blood cells are created, where all of the blood cells are created, and this allows us to function. Without it, we would not have a normal functioning blood tissue. Calcium metabolism is a very important part. We need calcium in blood, and bone cells as a storage for calcium. Without it, we can die in a matter of minutes if the calcium levels drop. But the most fascinating is the ability of the bone to heal completely. It's very amazing for humans. Humans, we don't have ability to heal when we are born. Maybe in embryos and fetuses for sure, but when we are born, we lose this ability, and with age, even our limited ability of healing decreases and decreases and decreases. For example, people have myocardial infarctions, people can have liver damage because of hepatitis. In all of these cases, the damaged tissue is replaced by scar tissue, and the function of the tissue decreases. Even skin, you might be thinking, yeah, skin is a very viable organ, it can replace itself. Well, it's not totally true. If the cut or damage or burn to the skin is deep enough, you will have a scar for the rest of your life. For example, I have several skin scars, which I'm sure most of you do also have. But bone is unique. When bone is broken, when bone is fractured, after it heals, and after some time passes, it heals totally. Meaning, if I take X-ray, if I take MRI, if I open the tissue and look at the bone with my naked eye, if I look at it with a microscope, I will not see any changes. I will not be able to tell where the fracture occurred. It heals itself totally. That's amazing. And there's some animals that can have amazing regenerative abilities. And we humans always envy them. But I think we also have one organ that does it itself. So if we study the bone more in the future, it may open the possibility for humans to have amazing regenerative abilities in the future. I thank you for listening to my video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. If you did not like it, I thank you very much for listening this long, and goodbye.